Hi, I'm Jill, and welcome to a new 2-minute tongue twister challenge. The tongue twister this week is Zippy zebrafish zoom to eat zucchini. Once more, Zippy zebrafish zoom to eat zucchini. Now this tongue twister is focusing on the sound z. Z is a voiced sound in English, which means you can feel it in your voice box. You feel a vibration when you make that sound. So this tongue twister has 4 words with z in. Zippy, zebrafish, zoom, and zucchini. So one more time. Zippy zebrafish zoom to eat zucchini. Now it's your turn. Have a try of this tongue twister. So how did you go? Could you say the tongue twister? Zippy zebrafish zoom to eat zucchini? Keep practicing. Tongue twisters are a great way to work your English muscles, get used to pronouncing English words. A little bit of practice each day will soon show a little bit of improvement in your English pronunciation. For lots more tongue twisters, limericks, and other ways to practice your pronunciation, you can head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym right here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. Just like a regular gym, regular practice will strengthen your muscles and so improve your English pronunciation. So head on over to Jill's gym for a workout today. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.